How to lose weight in 4 easy steps. Subscribe now, like, and share this video. Did you spend the past year losing weight to get in shape? A lot of people have been asking me how to do it, specifics like what diet to be on, how many times a week you should be working out, and more. So I thought I'd just answer everyone's questions by giving you guys step-by-step instructions on how you can achieve everything in just 4 easy steps. Ready? Here we go. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. 1. No beer. This is a big one and one that you've probably heard before. Every time you drink a beer, it's like eating 7 slices of bread. That's a lot of bread. 2. Portion control. This is especially true when you go out to eat at restaurants. A good trick to do is when your meal comes, cut it in half and right away ask for a takeout container, so that you can save the rest for later, and even better, if you start your meal out right by ordering lean meats and veggies, you'll slim down in no time. 3. Get motivated, join the gym. Start going to the gym regularly, and even though you don't know that much about exercise and you're way too weak to do pretty much anything but lift 5 pounds weights and use the elliptical machines with the old people, do it until your sweat makes a puddle on the floor. Then go home and go to bed early, and the next day do it again. And then again. And then again. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. Go to the gym and make more puddles of sweat. Watch videos on this channel about different muscle groups and how they work together. Start eating healthy. Plan out your week of meals. After work, one night, go up all the way to the top floor of the parking garage and walk all the way to the back. Turn your collar up against the cold and drive home to a meal of a single chicken breast and steamed vegetables. Go to sleep. Go back to work. Go to the gym. Sweat. Buy a scale. Pick a goal weight. Imagine the goal weight as a shining beacon on a hill. You are at the bottom, in the dark. Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. Get on the treadmill. Push yourself to level 3, then level 4. Then 6. Run so fast you feel like you are going to die. Hit level 10. Pray for death. Find the strength to keep going. Watch as your life shrinks down to 4 things. 1. Work. 2. The gym. 3. The food you eat. 4. Sleep. Start to make friends at the gym. Work, gym, food, sleep. Over and over. More sweat puddles. More fist bumps. You run hundreds of miles and lift thousands of pounds. You start to see new people working out here and there, and you realize you have done something you once thought impossible. You have become one of the regulars. Once in a while, you are the last one leaving the gym. You make a point to get to the gym earlier, but your workouts start to stretch from 1 hour to 90 minutes to 2 hours. You are now routinely the last person at the gym. You run. You lift. You make more puddles. But time is all it takes. 4. No fruit juice. Too much sugar. However, if you don't have time to do all of this, click the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.